Oh, sorry. YouTube just sent over the payment for this month. Anyways, we finally got it, boys. Here are the guns we bought. Bam! Here is the gun in all its glory. It's nice and oily. Look at her. Very beaut. Very lovely. My first ever 1911. Very nice. Very nice. Chambered in, obviously, 45 ACPs. What a beautiful gun. And now for the reward of purchasing the other one. Here we go. Look at her. Very nice. That was sad. Very nice and sexy. Look at that. Let's try it again. Spin. I'll get better at it as we practice with her. But very beautiful. Worth the whole 450 bucks to buy a 1911 and get a badass revolver. Our first revolver as well. Videos on these coming out soon.